Hi ladies, I am going to do a fun little hairstyle for you. Also, Nova and Avery are hanging out with me, so if you see them pop in, don't be surprised. I am going to do fun buns for this video, so I actually just did a tutorial curling my hair. If you missed that, you can check it out on Glamour Farms Boutique YouTube channel. And I'm also going to add, I'll wait and show you at the end, but my brand new hat that I purchased at Glamour Farms. So let's get started. What you're going to need for fun buns, oh by the way, you are never too old for fun buns. They are just cute and fun and girly. If you like them, you wear them. Okay, so I like to start with just two really skinny ponytails. Those I just feel like I have shorter hair, so I feel like I can wrap them around better. And then, of course, I'm gonna need some bobby pins just in case, since my hair is a little short, some pieces might fall out, and I'll add those in. And then you might want to do a little bit of hairspray. Probably don't need much if your hair is curly. I also do this when my hair is straight too, so it's totally up to you. Kind of depends on how much volume you have, how long your hair is, and all that good stuff. So let's get started. I did a middle part for mine, so I always just kind of take my fingers and try to give myself the most straight little part across the back. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're probably going to put a hat on it anyways. So then I take this side here. You can do little pigtails if you want. That's easy too. But I love to grab it, loop that ponytail around twice. So there it is, around twice. And then I'll kind of pull a little bit, and you'll see they start to fall out a little. So once that happens, I will take those pieces and I will add them back in. And this is kind of like something you have to just keep messing with because they like to fall in and out. Sometimes it's cute to leave a little piece hanging down too. But for this one, I'm gonna pin this up a little bit more. And then just kind of gently pull. I don't really pull, like I don't uncover my ear really. I just let it kind of show. You can add some cute earrings. Like I've done just like some little silver studs from Glamour Farms. And then I like to pull some pieces out like this and kind of pull my bangs forward a little bit. And then I always just kind of poof it. Another fun option, we are starting to get some more cute little clips in. I know we got some butterfly ones. These are an old one, so we don't have them, but I might add in, if I don't want to do a hat, I might add in a cute little gold clip there on both sides. So there's one side. You can see how quick and easy that was. Then again, you kind of pull on it, let some pieces kind of hang out for fun, just to make it kind of a messy look. Pull out this piece here, maybe pull a little piece of your bangs out, then fluff it all the way around, add a little bit of hairspray, and voila. Super easy. In the summer and like in spring and summertime, I love to add a little handkerchief on there. If you go, I mean, you could even just go to Walmart. They have them for $1 in the accessories area. And I actually like to take one handkerchief, cut it in half, make it a smaller piece, and then I'll tie each piece on the sides for a matching look. And then for the final touch, I'm gonna add my brand new CC hat from Glamour Farms. I'm possibly a little obsessed with this hat. Ben got it for me for Valentine's Day. And it does have the adjustments on the inside. We are gonna sell these hats, I think, so be on the lookout. And this one, I like to do a little more down, just probably right above my eyebrows like this, and then kind of just perfect your little fun buns. But I think that is just such an easy, cute little look, and you're gonna be super trendy, and it's fast. If you ever have a day where your hair is just not cooperating, this is the go-to look. So, hope you guys love it. Please drop some comments below, and I'll be back for another tutorial soon. See ya!